awofo ye ma no wo mo obia wosu anyamede adua won mo obia ne de obetumi aye sakura ne hunu bibia obetumi aye ya ye nhye won mo chi enka wo mo hono mutimi nu sa abotaye no ho sense ye yankase ye ka bibia kire wo mo se koye doctor koye nurse koye journalist nso na nye ho na akura no ni sunsum ewo no ye ntwe hu free sasu no ho Adom TV etwaso
Empempi no eya na awofo dodo na epese wono mo kire wo ma ne a wokoskum a wonkosua esan se no na wono ma awofo no wope nanso anei so afọ hwa de sua ho nsem so Dr. Yaw Osei Edutwum eto awofo nyina afo se ya wo ma wo ma no kwan se de be ya ade da wono mo akoma so ya woni gye ho a wopese wosua no wokoskum a wosua eno se be ya ebebo ankoda na nkasa dache wode sansemi to dwa wa bra adesuafo a wonom ewo Brain Hill International School eye wonom 5th graduation a one more KG2 eko wanim akogina class 1.
I'm super happy that I got the opportunity to come here. Our schedules are so that sometimes you may be thrown off, but I wanted to come here and to have the opportunity to celebrate the accomplishments of your children with you and to encourage you to do more. Speak greatness into the lives of your children. I know you are doing that, but do more, don't do less. Don't get frustrated by the child and begin to say things that are not something printable. Find a way for them to feel motivated. And they come home with grades that are not what you expect and below your expectation. Find a way to communicate with them so that they can go back and do more.
Dr. Yaw Osei Edutwum ekasa for STEM education hono. Ensem sei eno di tu dwa adwinkyere mu no se Ghana fo nyina ede won hoji mu a ebeboa.
We are going to ensure that Ghana does not lose out on this place in the world by forgetting about STEM. We are in the 4th industrial revolution. The first industrial revolution was the invention of the steam engine. From there we went to the second, the invention of electricity, introduction of it. Then from there we went to computers. And now we are in the 4th industrial revolution, where we are looking at the fusion of the electronic with physical. We are looking at artificial intelligence. It is projected that within the next 10 years, in a number of countries, 40% of all jobs will disappear.